These two chambers at the bottom are referred to as the ventricles. The blood comes through and gets pumped down into these two chambers and then shot out through the aorta. Is that enough detail, or? I had in the back of my mind that I might was interested in medicine. I thought, I'm not getting any younger, now's the best time to do it. A big part of it was wanting to be a role model for my son Walter. I applied for a few universities, and when I actually spoke to a student advisor here at Deakin, they sort of explained in a really practical sense what the best course would be to do. Definitely at Deakin, it just fit my lifestyle perfectly, and I literally couldn't have done what I did in the time I did it and be going in to do medicine next year if it weren't for the teaching staff and how helpful they were, and also just the method of teaching and being able to do a lot of it on my own time when I was able to. My favourite classes were the anatomy and physiology based classes, systems physiology and things like that. Yeah, you get a lot of hands-on experience which helps you understand them better and get a good visual sense of how they actually function. You run across a lot of biomed students that want to do medicine. I know I've spoken to people that would like to do other forms of work in the healthcare industry. Science, just generally, is a really good degree to have a lot of career options, I think. It's very easy within the industry, I think, especially if you've got a science degree to pivot and change your course direction with, even if you want to do further education, having that basis of science is really important.